All right, let's see here. We are taking a look at sixth grade science, and this is Unit 4 cells. We're getting out of weather, we're going into cells. Students definitely loved this unit. I'm going to jump into the notes first and then show you other stuff as well. So, cells and heredity, they loved this video. This is made, I believe, by Harvard Medical. It shows some really cool stuff, some activities that are going on in cells. Start out with some questions. We went into discovery of the or building the microscopes. There's some nice electron microscope images. Take a look at the parts of a microscope. And then this is important, get them on the microscopes as soon as possible. Taking a look at stuff that we ordered, paramecium and euglena, ordered from Carolina Biological, and then pond water and filter water from the fish tank. Really cool stuff. Few things just getting used to microscopes, stuff like that. A little cell theory action there. Types of microscopes. This is a fun little video. This is the smallest stop motion video ever made. Those are actually individual little atoms right there. I believe it's IBM that made that. Okay. Then we get into cell organelles, and I believe I had them do a quick little web quest first to do some research and get used to it before we went through the notes, all the different notes on the animal cells, and then we did a poster project. We did plant cells as well here, and so they would choose a factory and they would make analogies and put that on their poster. They would draw half of one thing and half the other. Like, for example, if they're doing Tesla, they could do the nucleus, draw half a nucleus, and then draw half an Elon Musk on the other side. I would do some allowing them when they had people print off pictures and put pictures, paste pictures on there. I still want them to do some drawing, definitely, especially on the organelle side, to make it cohesive and make it go well. They did have to put on the poster, whether it was on the back or on the front, their analogies, why they said, this is like that. And really, that's where the education is, the learning, just the comparing a cell to a factory. Plant cells, stuff like that. Then we went into chemistry of life, organic, inorganic, stuff like that. Fats, lipids, proteins. In the chemistry cupboard, there is some potassium chlorate, which is really cool stuff. Put in a test tube, heat it up on the stand, use a blowtorch to heat it up, and then drop different food in there. Like for carbohydrates, we dropped M&Ms in there. And lights on fire, obviously, flames shoot out, kids go, ooh, wow, pretty, and stuff like that. Makes the room smell absolutely terrible, though. And so you can actually burn quickly carbohydrates. And then for lipids, we actually stuck in some peanut M&Ms just because there's more fats and cholesterol in the peanut in the M&Ms as well, stuff like that. Proteins, we took some ham, some meat, and just shoved it in there, and you don't get much fire with that. Okay. This one we didn't have time. Nucleic acids. You can do a really cool thing where you can actually isolate your DNA using cheek scraping. You should look that up online and check that out. We didn't do it, but something I wish I had done with the kids. They would have had fun with that. Okay. Then we go into diffusion, movement, stuff like that, osmosis, and then we do hypertonic, hypotonic solutions, stuff like that, isotonic solutions, passive transport, active transport, and phagocytosis. Okay? Then we go on to photosynthesis and cellular respiration. And obviously, these were broken up. We didn't go straight on through all of this stuff. These were broken up, just do some slides each day with other stuff in between. So, yep, there we go. Boom. Notes, cells heredity, looking inside of the notes. This is, I just made this 2.5. This is the poster activity where I rolled that out. This is the web quest where I had them look at some cell organelles ahead of time. Notes on the chemistry of life, notes on movement of molecules in cells, notes on photosynthesis and cellular respiration, and then we just jump right into the review vocab, review questions, and the test. Okay, two big things that we work on in this is the poster. A lot of fun, a lot of learning going on. And also in this one, this is where we made paper mache cells with Play-Doh organelles, and you cover the organelles with Mod Podge so they'd stay. So all of those, very good. Yeah, this stuff hopefully is helpful. If it's not, that's okay. You don't need to use it, but hopefully this is doing some good. Thanks. Bye.